Hi everyone! Welcome again to my another vlog. Today it's December 26th of 2020, so we're almost gonna say goodbye to this year. So as part of our family's tradition, since we arrived here in the United States, we really want to look into the Christmas lights every Christmas, and it's gonna be a different way this time because it's gonna be a drive-through. Last year, if you could see from my previous vlog, we went to Duluth and we were walking through under the Christmas lights, but this time it's gonna be a drive-through. It's gonna be a 1-mile drive-through under or surrounded with more than 1 million Christmas lights. So I'm very excited. It's still located here in Minnesota. It's gonna be in the state fairgrounds. So when you saw from my other vlog, I went there for that state fair. So it's gonna be the same area, but they changed the environment into more on a Christmas theme. So we'll see. So again, it's gonna be about 1-mile drive. So we are all excited. Here's Wendell. And then the kids. So they got already there. Is there light there? There. And then Max. Hello, Max. So we'll see you there. It's gonna be about 27 minutes from where we live. So and then it's not snowing. So it is very amazing. And